Now, Kevin, one of the complaints that I get from writers, especially when I'm speaking at writing conferences, is some version of the question, why are agents so mean? How come they don't say yes more often? And at the end of the day, agents are human beings, right? They're people who love reading, and they're busy people. You get, I don't know how many manuscripts in your inbox every day, but a whole lot of them. You and I know that you're a lovely human being. You're a nice guy. You've got a great smile. So give us the behind the scenes on, the user interface for a lot of authors is a lot of rejection without a whole lot of reason why. I can understand why it would feel like there's a cold front there,
Sure.
but agents really are people. So tell us what it's like behind the scenes.
Sure. When I became an agent, my mentor, Charlotte Sheedy, said it was imperative to respond to everybody. So that is my intention. I think I'm 99.9% of the way there. And it's dedication, it's dedication to do that. And I know that not everybody has the time to do that or the inclination. But I think it's important, and I've certainly seen it pay off just on a human level. It's hard. Most of the time when I'm reading, it's not about whether or not something is good or bad. It's whether or not can I add value? Can I see a path towards selling this or not? And most of the time the answer is no. Like either I'm being myopic, or I just don't read romance, or I've never read a Western, or I get a lot of male writers writing to me with anti-heroes, and that's the kind of book I love to read. Like, give me Confederacy of Dunces, give me Infinite Jest any day of the week. And for the most part, editors are women between, the ages of 25 and 55, and they have like zero interest in spending any time with a misanthropic, misogynistic male hero, anti-hero character. And like, I've learned the hard way about that. And I'm like, no, but it's really funny. And they're like, maybe, but I don't want to spend any part of my life with this person. And so it's kind of like getting a better sense of that, of like understanding that there's a bifurcation between with what I want to read and what will sell, and maybe even a trifurcation or more between like, and then what will any one editor be interested in.
If you've enjoyed this writing tip, please be sure to subscribe to the Writing Gym podcast. If you're ready and serious about finishing that novel, head on over to datewiththemuse.com/book a call to talk with our team.